Squeeze and Sweet, say hi.
Hey!
What is this?
Slime! I want slime yellow.
Okay, let's go to the table.
Open the tray.
Let's go sit at the table.
Open it. I love that one. Open it.
That's it?
Open it. Yay!
Thank you.
It smells so good. Ah! Daddy, watch this. Ew! Daddy,
Yes.
watch this. Ew!
Wow.
Daddy, watch this to me again. Daddy, watch this again. I have yellow. Ew!
Yeah.
Daddy. That is
Hi everyone.
good.
Today we're playing with slime. So, as you can see, Squeeze has the green slime. Sweet has the yellow slime. So we're playing with slime.
I'm making Daddy.
Yeah, really good.
Daddy, let me smell. It smells so.
Does it?
Watch this. It's missing.
What color is your slime?
Green.
What color is your slime?
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
I'm gonna break it. You ready? Watch what happens. Break it.
Let's see.
Yay! I'm gonna make eggs. This is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, so much fun.
Ah! Oh! Oh no! That's the second. You can show Gigi Sally slime.
Oh, you gonna show Gigi Sally next time?
Yeah, you go to see Gigi our slime. Let's just go show Jordan all my slime. And I'm gonna show Paul hot slime.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on my head. You ready? Watch my head slime. I can show Jordan. I can show Jordan.
You can show Jordan.
And I'm gonna show myself.
You gonna show Jordan?
I drop it. I fall down. You gotta hit me, so if you wanna watch more videos and you wanna win, bye-bye.
Yes, bye-bye. Yes, if they wanna watch more videos, they can watch more videos.
Yeah, if you wanna watch my videos, look at my forehead.
Ah, slime on your forehead.
That's the second one.
What color is the slime again?
Green.
It's green.
I'm gonna put my head. Watch what happens.
Oh, look at what happened.
I can break it.
Can you?
I can show Jordan. Baby. I can show Jordan from all my slime. Randy, you love that slime? You love it? I can break it. You can break it? You break it, break it. Watch what happens. If you want to watch more videos, all you have to do.
See the piece right there? Pick it up. Thank you.
I can show Jordan all my slime. We're gonna break it. Watch what happens.
Let's see what happens. See? Wow, look what happens when you break it apart.
Let me make the birds. Ouch! Ow! Daddy, see this slime? Way Where's mommy? Mommy's upstairs?
No.
Mommy's in the room?
No, mommy's not here yet.
We're almost seeing mommy?
Yeah, almost here.
If you want more videos, all you have to do is spell my name.
Yeah.
C-A.
Just as you said. If you want to see more videos, just spell her name. Just spell Squeeze and Sweet. And see plenty of fun videos.
Did you want to watch my video? Touch the phone. Touch the phone. The last thing. That's the 4 more seconds.
Look at that.
Oh! 1 second. Ups, see.
How do you do?
Where is mommy? Where is mommy? No, she's not here. Grandma finger, where are you? Now, see what and one, how do you do?
Yeah.
Watch me, Daddy. Watch me, Daddy.
What are you doing?
She's winning the table. Oh,
Okay.
Daddy, watch what
Time to
happened.
get off the table now. Finish playing with your slime. Time to get off the table.
He can show Jordan.
Thank you
He
very
can
much.
show Jordan. It smells good. Watch what happens. Smell good. Ew. And my nose. Look on my head. Watch what happens. Can I say on my nose?
Put on your nose?
On my nose. Beep, 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 beep. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Baby, baby.
Yeah.
Eat it, Tiger. No, Daddy, don't. Mommy, baby. What kind of shoes are on? Hello.
Hello.
Look, no my eye. Oh my eye. Oh, I make a mess.
Oh, did you? Gotta clean up, make a mess.
How much you make a mess? 1, 2, 3.
Look at that.
And wait, let me take a picture.
Daddy, quick on cherry.
Ow! Daddy, let me make the letter. What?
You make the letter. You make the letter C?
No, I make E. Look at what I made. The letter C. And now I'm gonna make the letter A. What's the A start with?
Apple.
Apple, acorn.
I can go wash
C is for cookie.
I want to go wash my hair.
Okay. You want to wash your hands? Okay. Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Wait, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Wait, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.